Alright, day 3 here in Aron's house, and check this view out. It's buildings, buildings, buildings with loads of floor. View is amazing. Guys, check this out. You've seen momos in Bangalore? Check the momos out here. Huge. And we have a car to ride into Malaysia. Awesome. Trip in the night going to Malaysia, driven by Aron. You can barely see him.
Yes, thank God don't see me.
Yeah, he's white though. Not able to, why you're not able to see him. Alright, there he is. There. Okay, here's Aron rushing off. Yeah, come on, man.
Hey!
Hit the gas. Floor it, Aron. Hey. Floor it. Why are you looking at me, Aron?
Sam!
What am I doing? I'm not driving. I'm sitting in the back seat.
You made him to drive very fast. Come on, come on, come on.
What? Come on.
Like,
so even if there's no one on the streets, we'll still have to follow the red light, right?
Then
Do we have cameras? This is in India. Oh, okay. There we go. Green light. Green light. Let's go. He's crossing the sign again. Dude, you're in the middle of 2 lanes. Look at him. So this is texting and driving. If Singapore is gonna see this video, they're gonna cane you, man. Just like that? Okay, let me try it. This is the beef one?
yes, it's a beef.
Okay, wow, really soft. So just bite and eat it? No sauce to go with this? Nothing?
No.
Okay, let's try it out.
So this is now in Malaysia, it become a culture of Malay people used to do now.
Like it is soft and it has a filling inside. It tastes interesting. It tastes like a little sweet and has some filling masala inside, and it's good. It's really nice. When you proceed 1.4 kilometers in the front, you take a left.
Okay.
And we are the slowest people on the road.
Yes, we.
Sammy, apa ada di situ?
It's 400 meters, you take a left. 350 meter. 300 meter. 180 meter.
Hey,
We're going to take a left in 50 meter, 20 meter. Okay, you gotta take a left. Good.
Motor racing
Look at this. Was it motor racing?
ஆமா.
Oh, wow.
இதுக்கு தான் motor race போவேன் நானு.
No.
நான் முன்ன 16 வயசு இருக்கும்போது I have this motorbike like that. So school முடிஞ்சா every Friday.
Tokyo Drift. Was that screeching?
Yeah.
Mr. Aron here has to go through that window
Lord, please.
to open the door from inside. This is gonna be crazy.
Oh, shit, I cannot even go in this. They cannot open that.
You can't open this?
That's the max.
This is your own house, right? Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. You're not trying to break us into some place, are you? Alright, you're almost there. You want me to hold the card? Finally reached Aron's place. And Aron, beautiful apartment, man. Thumbs up from India. Awesome. Look at the view you have here. My goodness, look at the view he's got here. Amazing. You can see pretty much lights all over and a huge building right there, and there's more lights. Another huge building and another huge building, and pretty much staying in Aron's house. This is the morning view when I woke up. This is Malaysia. Not all the way Malaysia, but just kind of on the way to Malaysia. Still maybe around 4 to 5 hours drive to Malaysia. Oh my god, look at Aron's place. He got the swimming pool right at the corner. You can actually see we're still on the 8th floor. So it's 8 floors more down, and these are the apartments that he stays in. Staying somewhere over there on the 18th or 19th. Which ones do we have here? Oh, this is the one you're talking about?
Yes.
Thai Muslim seafood. Okay, there's one plate all perfected. Thank you. Oh boy. Got some chicken soya with some beef, some chicken gravy, and some. Alright, coffee in this good place. Stop cheering. No, hold on. Alright, no. Wait a second. Okay, now we cheers. Alright, there we go. Yeah, Aron, you stop after you cheers. Move. Look at all these bikers here. They're just zooming past the highway every single time. This guy's actually slow. This is like. finally we
California
have the
city.
beach or the ocean.
That is Singapore.
Oh, that's Singapore?
Yes.
Oh, what is this?
Yeah, that's Indian money. That's
Mahatma Gandhi. You know why the reason? He is bald. You guys have done this to him. I don't think so. He born with bald hair, right?
I'm pretty sure every Indian is gonna hate you right now. Ultimate chill out cafe, and wow, what is that guy? They're supposed to answer me.
Wait.
My God, they have a ladies parking, specifically ladies parking. Are you driving there, Aron?
No, we have to pass by there.
Oh my God, why would they have only ladies parking separately?
Because we guys will have bullying them whenever they park. They take time to park.
In JP before putting the board with Aron.
Pretty good,
Oh yeah, finally pumping with the right music. Right?
Yeah.
Loaded it, get maximum views. I came through in the clutch, wanna lick
Yeah.
some phones, where your face alone, just to get you a
The government.
Mr. Aron is going to take us to 30th floor in this huge apartment. We're going to get a good view from the top. We have reached the 30th floor. Goodness, this view is amazing from here. You can actually see everything. You are able to see pretty much all of JP. That's right before Malaysia. And wow, if you can see the symmetric of the lighting, it's amazing. I'm on the 30th floor of Aron's new house, and it's okay. So you've got this amazing view here, and then if you just turn here, you got a sky spa. That's a jacuzzi. Two jacuzzis on the rooftop. This is crazy, people. Oh my God, I want to move here now. Apparently, if you thought all of that was awesome, check this out. There's a bridge connecting between two different buildings, and oh my God, the video does not do justice at all. Hey Toby, hey Toby, hey, aren't you just gorgeous? Okay, so we are back in Aron's house right now, Aron's sister's house, and look what I find in Aron's room. This is Aron's sister. You want to say hi? Hi. Okay, you can just put the